What should we do today? You're gonna say cheese. Cheese. Okay, you ready? Come on, show us your moves. Huey, is this your favorite song? Can you clap? What, Eli?
See you real soon.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Mickey. Blow him kisses. Blow him kisses. Should we put it on again? Can you move around a little? What if it's not showing? Oops.